A rare chance for amateur riders to get a taste of what's to come for cycling's top professionals. A mass participation event on the same Kigali streets where global titles will soon be won and lost. Rwanda's capital is getting ready to make history as the first African host city of cycling's Road World Championships.
As a Rwandan, we say this is our home of cycling, so it's our pleasure to welcome different countries who comes here in Kigali for competing in Road Championship. As you can see today, we have a social ride. We have 700 girls and boys, men and women who come here just to ride for social. So you can see in Rwanda we really love cycling.
The elite riders have also been out getting a feel for the course. Rwanda is known as the land of 1,000 hills, and Kigali is set to provide altitude and climbs that will test the limits of cycling's best.
Cycling enthusiasts here are used to seeing high-quality racing. The Tour de Rwanda is an established part of the sport's global calendar and regularly attracts hundreds of thousands of fans. Many Kigali businesses and schools will be closed during the championships as cycling takes over the capital.
I'm so excited. You have been waiting this for a long time since the announcement of Rwanda hosting this UCI championship, and now this is the day.
It's not actually for only Rwanda, the heart of Africa, because something like this can be also an open gateway to also other African countries.
Most people cycle here in Rwanda. It's like a very common thing, so it's really nice that UCI is holding this right here.
Everyone was a winner at the end of this event, but medals won't be so easy to secure when the big names take their turn, as 13 world titles are decided over 8 days of racing. Andy Richardson, Al Jazeera, Kigali.
Don't miss out and get the full picture. Subscribe to Al Jazeera for reliable news and expert insights. Like, share, stay ahead.